So, skin lightening and skin brightening, what is the difference? How do I know which I should do, or how do I know which I am actually doing depending on the products that I am using? And is any of these practices bad for the skin? In this video, we are going to find out just everything we need to know about skin lightening and skin brightening. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan and I film videos like this one. I film skincare content, beauty content, and also general wellness content. So if that is something that you'd be interested in, please make sure that you're subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on for whenever I post the video. And even if you're subscribed, please check that the bell button right next to the subscribe button is turned on so you are notified every time that I post a video. So I'm touching on this topic because this is something that I have greatly spoken about on this channel. I've spoken about skin brightening, I've spoken about skin lightening, and I do get questions like, Dikan, what is the difference between these two? What should I do if I'm using this product? What am I actually doing to my skin? And I'm going to be answering all of those questions in this video today. So first, let's talk about skin brightening. Skin brightening is the process of reviving dull skin. This is when your skin is not looking or feeling vibrant and plump, and you know you need to take some steps to just make your natural skin tone pop. Now, over to skin lightening. Skin lightening is a different process entirely from skin brightening. Skin lightening is actually using products to change the tone of your skin, either in a certain area of your body or your overall body. So it really depends what you're looking to get. But skin lightening is using ingredients that actually lighten the skin to change or correct the tone of a particular area of your body or your entire body, like I earlier said. So now, what differentiates these two should I say processes or approaches to skincare? Now, this would greatly be the products used in either of these, or the process involved and the routines created around this. This would mean that if you're creating a routine for skin brightening, then you have to stick with skin brightening products, and if you're creating a routine for skin lightening, then you're going to have to stick to skin lightening products. Skin brightening products are products that contain, ingredients that do not bleach or lighten your skin, but they plump your skin, they make your skin radiate, they make your skin, a lot more vibrant. This would include products with ingredients like vitamin C, ceramides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and ingredients in that category. And the skin lightening process would involve products that contain ingredients like hydroquinone, kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, glycolic acid, and also ingredients in that category as well. Now, if you notice, I mentioned glycolic acid in the skin brightening process, and I also mentioned glycolic acid in the skin lightening process. This is to say that sometimes the products involved and also the routines can somehow, synchronize, or they could somehow be the same, they could merge. You could use skin lightening products in skin brightening process, and you could also use skin brightening products in your skin lightening routine. This greatly depends on the procedures, the way you go about using these products on your skin. I filmed a video on how to brighten your skin, and in that video I shared how you could use lightening products to take a shower, like lightening shower gels or lightening bar soaps to take a shower. And in that, since those are rinse off products, they don't stay so long on your skin, so they don't actually stay on your skin long enough to lighten your skin, but they do give your skin that bright effect because they contain, lightening products in them. Do you understand what I mean? And also, the skin lightening process does involve using some brightening products. For example, if you're lightening, then you will still need to, exfoliate your skin, and exfoliators or exfoliating acids are greatly more of brightening products than they are lightening products, but it is still needed in the skin lightening process. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, that is basically the idea behind these two concepts. This is how to differentiate them, and this is what they actually mean in the skincare world. So now that I have expatiated on these two, concepts, I wanted to create a routine for skin brightening in this video and also a routine for skin lightening in this video as well. Another thing to consider while skin brightening is that you can use products that actually contain skin lightening ingredients, but also depending on the percentage in that product, it might not actually be strong enough to be a lightening product. It could then be a brightening product. Do you get what I mean? For example, the product I'm going to be sharing in this video today for skin brightening is the Kojic White, Kojic Acid and Papaya Skin Brightening range. Now in this range, they have the lotion and they also have the soap. I'm going to pop it somewhere on the screen so that you see. Now for a routine with this product, what you would want to do is use the soap in the shower, to cleanse your skin. Make sure you lather the soap properly and put it all over your skin. Take time to wash your skin to just give the product a little bit of time, say between 5 to 10 minutes on your skin before you rinse it off. And once you're out of the shower, you can then go on ahead with the lotion on your body. Now this lotion can be used on the face and body depending on your skin. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to stay away from using it on your face, but if you don't, then you can go on ahead to use it on your face and body. It is as good as that. This lotion is lightly fragranced and it's also a lightweight and runny consistency that absorbs into the skin quite quickly, giving you nourishment and vibrancy on your skin as well. For the soap, you can use it for the face and body, and also for the lotion, you can use it for the face and body, but only if your skin on the face is not sensitive. Now I checked and I wasn't quite sure if they have a face cream for this line. So if you need something for the face in this routine, a recommendation that I would give is the Kojic Vit Ultra Gel, and this is a treatment gel for the face. If you do have problematic skin like acne, hyperpigmentation or discoloration on the face, then you might want to use this gel to treat. And also after treating with this gel, you can still follow up with a little bit of this Kojic White, Kojic Acid and Papaya lotion, a little bit of it on your face as your moisturizer. So then the treatment before the lotion as a moisturizer on your face. And if you have sensitive skin, that should help you, combat that part of the issue. Yeah, that's basically like a full-on routine. You can use the soap in the shower, then when you're out, obviously use your toner, the toner that you use for your skin, and then you can get on ahead to use the Kojic Vit Ultra Gel, and also follow up with the Kojic White cream on your skin as well. With this, you can use it in both your day and night routine, but don't forget to follow up with sunscreen during the day, because Kojic Acid can also make your skin, sensitive to the sun, so you want to keep your skin protected whenever you're out under the sun. And also you can follow up with like a beauty oil of your choice. I have recommended a couple on this channel. An oil like bio oil would work well in this routine, and also maybe the Aveeno oats oil that I've shared before on this channel can work in that routine as well. And there you go, we've created a skin brightening routine with a skin brightening range. Now moving over to skin lightening, and here we could use a range like this Palmer Skin Success range, and in that range there is a soap, there is a face cream, and there is a body cream as well. Now you can use the soap in the shower for both face and body, and once you're out, obviously tone your face, and then go on ahead to use your body lotion on your body and also the face cream on your face. Now this range is a lightening range. It is not a dramatic lightening range, but it is a range that does the job in lightening your skin gradually. So if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation or dealing with discoloration somewhere on your skin, this is the kind of treatment that you might want to use for that. Palmer Skin Success lotion does contain hydroquinone, but in very limited quantity. That is why it is a mild lightening lotion. So like I said, for the skin brightening routine, you could also follow up with a beauty oil of your choice. The bio oil that I mentioned is also great for that range as well, to keep your skin protected and also help to support the lightening lotion in combating scars and marks on your body as well. Now during the day, if you're using this lotion, of course sunscreen definitely, and you can use it both day and night. You can follow this routine both day and night. A lot of people actually love and swear by Palmer Skin Success, and I do as well, because their products are actually great if you get your hands on the original thing. So yeah, and like other concepts that I have shared on this video, you can definitely follow up with a beauty oil like I mentioned, or a beauty butter like I mentioned, depending on your skin type. If you have very dry skin, you might want to follow up with the butter. If you have normal to dry or combination skin, oily skin, you can just use a beauty oil or a lightweight beauty oil depending on your choice. So that's pretty much it. We've created a skin brightening routine and also a skin lightening routine. Now over to concepts that actually intertwine, which are at concepts like exfoliation. That is where maybe 3 times in a week you use an exfoliating product of some sort. You can use something that has glycolic acid, you can use something that has mandelic acid if you have sensitive skin, you can use something that has salicylic acid if you have acne prone skin, you can use something like lactic acid if you have sensitive skin. So depending on your skin type, you can go for any exfoliating acid that can actually exfoliate your skin, because exfoliation is needed in whichever of the skincare routine that you're doing, whether it's skin brightening or skin lightening. Exfoliating is key because you would want to get all that dead skin cells away from your skin so your products can work better, if you get what I mean. Products that I mentioned and the routine would be written in the description box, so you can definitely check that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I do hope it was helpful, it was educating. Please thumbs it up if you did find value in this video at all, and I do hope you get the concept now so you don't use the right routine for the wrong reasons. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Please drop a comment down below if you have any questions for me, or you just want to share something with us on this video, or if you want me to know that you were here today, please drop some love hearts in the comment section for me. I love to see that one, and make sure that you're subscribed if you're not. And as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.